Welcome to this very special masterclass brought to you by the Aditya Birla Group. The one and only, the legendary Rahul Dravid has partnered with them for a very special cause, Force for Good. Rahul bhai, thank you so much.
Thanks, Jatin.
Such a decorated career. The context, that knock, that double hundred, that 233, where is it? Where's the place in your heart, not on ranking?
Obviously, scoring that 233 in the first innings was great, but also backing that up with the 72 in the second innings, being 72 not out and being there at the end to win it. A truly special place in my heart and really nice to be a part of that.
अब थोड़ा एडलेट बदल गया है. ऑस्ट्रेलिया में हमेशा पेस और बाउंस की बात करते हैं, लेकिन अब ये पिंक बॉल से थोड़ी स्विंग की भी बात हो जाती है, विजिबिलिटी की बात हो जाती है. What was your mindset just to battle those tough phases that you'll get in Australia, those tricky times, an hour and a half? Just what's the mental makeup and what's the right way to approach it?
पिंक बॉल जो नया आया हुआ है थोड़ा अलग ही बिहेव करता है, थोड़ा स्विंग भी ज़्यादा होता है. वो मतलब ज़रूर जब तक लैकर रहता है उस बॉल पे स्विंग ज़्यादा होता है और शाम में भी कुछ चेंजेस हो सकती हैं. तो शायद पता नहीं, मतलब मेरे को लगता है कि मे भी थोड़ी अडेप्टेबिलिटी की ज़रूरत होगी. आपको रीड करना होगा कि मौसम बदल गया है या सिचुएशन बदल चुकी हैं. तो वहाँ से अगर आपको कहीं आपने बैटिंग में चेंज करना हो या आपको कुछ बदलाव लाना हो तो आपको रेडी रहना चाहिए.
Two of your trademark shots, we'll just talk a little about the cut shot. If you can just get a little bit of, pass. What's the perfect execution of the square cut?
I found as the ball got a bit softer, it became easier to play that shot. And I think everyone's unique with the cut shot. For me, it was just about giving myself room, just ensuring that I got, in good positions. Sometimes roll the wrists over the ball if you wanted to keep it down, but also the opportunity to, with the bounce and the pace, to be able to hit it over the top and create opportunities there as well.
Rahul bhai, thank you so much for your time. Here's hoping that the Indian team gets bucket loads of boundaries when the time is right, when the conditions are right. Because remember, every single time an Indian player hits a boundary in this edition of the Border Gavaskar Trophy, a child's sports training will be sponsored by the Aditya Birla Group, owing to their wonderful initiative, Force for Good.